Greetings! Join us as we take an in-depth look at how the 2019 Honda HR-V compares to the 2019 Toyota CHR, two contenders in the very popular compact SUV market. Now let's really zoom in on the U in SUV. It's been said that the CHR's grumpy look could be a product of its inferiority complex in the utility area. Well, at least by me. I mean, check out the tiny cargo space in this car. With the rear seat backs up, the Honda has an extra 5+ cubic feet of room, enough for another 7 paper bags worth of groceries. Lower those rear seats, and the Toyota's owner might become disoriented by the vastness of the HR-V's cargo volume. It's more than half again bigger. Toyota can say they make it easy, but that doesn't apply to lowering the rear seats. First, you have to find this hidden button under the head restraint that lets you lift it up and flop it forward. Then you can release the seat back and let it down. Compare that to the HR-V. The head restraints are cleanly integrated into the seat backs. So first I'm already done. And with that, we've covered all the possibilities offered by the CHR's rear seats. But the second row magic seat in the Honda can also flip up, making for an excellent space to transport tall items upright. And that, my friend, is utility with a capital U. So, say you have some big, heavy boxes to load into your CHR. Well, this car requires you to clean and jerk that weight a full 5 inches higher than the HR-V through a hatch that is 4 inches narrower. Come on. While you're at it, beware the giant pointy taillight housings that can bruise arms and elbows or wallets if a lens gets cracked. Ain't cheap. The ones on the HR-V conform much more closely to the car. Closing the CHR's tailgate will require a tippy-toe maneuver for some folks, seeing as the handle is a full 2.5 inches higher than the HR-V's. Oh, yeah, about that handle. It's backwards. What the? Toyota makes it okay, though, by putting a sticker in there illustrating that it's backwards. But no matter how or where you grab the thing, you'll find the CHR tailgate quite a bit harder to pull shut than the HR-V's nicely weighted design. Okay, so utility isn't a particularly strong point of this Toyota Sport utility vehicle. Well, they must have focused on the sport part, right? A good place to start would be to offer a vehicle that can keep going when the pavement ends, one that can be equipped with capable all-wheel drive, like the system available on every HR-V trim. Except Toyota forgot about that part. The CHR only comes with 2-wheel drive. Now, maybe it's agile and light on its feet like the Honda. One car magazine reviewer of the Toyota wondered, quote, how and why a vehicle this small weighs 3,300 pounds is a mystery. By contrast, every 2-wheel drive HR-V comes in at least 326 pounds lighter. Another magazine called out the CHR's alarmingly slow acceleration. In their testing, Toyota took a full 11 seconds to go from 0 to 60. Almost 2.5 seconds slower than the 8.6 they achieved in the HR-V. Okay, quick response isn't among the CHR sport credentials either. I'm running out of things here. It's ridiculous. At least this Toyota is fuel efficient, right? Well, it's not bad, but the 2-wheel drive HR-V tops it in every EPA rating category. So, anyone looking at the Toyota CHR versus the Honda HR-V would do well to imagine the day-to-day experience of these vehicles. It's not a stretch to expect CHR's extreme styling, as well as lack of either sport or utility, to grow old pretty quickly. Meanwhile, the HR-V will still be providing its buyer with greater space and comfort, smarter conveniences, more fun-to-drive performance, and a vastly greater capacity to support an exciting seat-of-your-pants lifestyle. Case closed.